Hello and welcome to my channel and my new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to set the time and date and other features on the Casio WS 1400. Now before entering the settings menu, I'm going to show you which features can you set before entering the menu. So from the standard timekeeping mode you can set 12 or 24-hour time format by pressing this button over here. As you can see, when I press it, the A turns on the main display, indicating that it's 9:47 a.m. So when I press this button, I'm basically shuffling between 12 or 24-hour time format. This is 24-hour time format. Also, you can mute the watch. That is done simply by pressing and holding this button over here until the watch indicates that the tones are off. And here we go, press and hold. And what is the indication? Well, we have it over here. That is crossed the note over here. As you can see, the melodies are turned off. Let me get back to standard timekeeping mode. As you can see, when I'm shuffling, there is no sound. To turn it back on, simply press and hold it again. And as you can see, it disappeared. So that means that now when I shuffle, the watch has the tones. Now let's enter the settings menu. Press and hold the adjust button, that is the upper left button, until you hear the beep. And here we go. We heard the beep, and as you can see, the seconds are flashing. Now you cannot set the exact value of seconds, but what you can do is reset that value simply by pressing the start stop button, and the watch will reset this value of seconds to 0. Whilst in the setting the seconds position, you can also change the illumination duration, and it's indicated over here, LT and 1 dot. 1 dot indicating that when I press the illumination button, the watch face will stay lit on for 1.5 seconds. When I press this button over here, lap reset, you can see that there are 3 dots on the upper digital display, indicating that when I press the light button, the watch face will stay illuminated for 3 seconds. So basically, by pressing the lap or reset button, I'm shuffling between illumination duration of 1.5 seconds and 3 seconds. So I'm gonna leave it at 1 second illumination duration. Once we finished it, I can press the mode button over here, and we move on to setting our DST, or the daylight saving time mode. So you can shuffle the daylight saving time mode using the start stop button. As you can see, I'm shuffling between on or off by pressing the start stop button. That is the daylight saving time mode. In my time zone, daylight saving time is currently on, and I'm gonna leave it at on. Next up, press the mode button, and we move on to setting our hour value. It says it's 10 o'clock, but in my time zone, it's currently 14 o'clock. So I'm gonna press this button or this button to move the hour value. So increase or decrease by pressing this or this button over here. So let me get it to 14. Once I've set my hour value, I'm gonna press the mode button, and we move on to setting our minutes value, which you can see is flashing. In my time zone, it's 14 o'clock and 46 minutes. And I'm gonna press the lap reset button to get it back to 46. Or you can press the start stop button to increase the value of minutes. So I'm gonna get it back to 46. Next up, press the mode button once again, and you enter the position of setting your year value. As you can see, it's blinking or flashing 2005, but currently it is 2022. I can press lap reset to decrease or start stop to increase the value of my year to 2022, and I can set it to 2022. Once I'm done with that, I'm gonna press the mode button, and we move on to setting our month value. As you can see, it's flashing number 5, and it's not correct. So currently it's October, so it should be number 10. So let's go. I'm gonna press the lap reset, or start stop button until I get to number 10. And I've set my month value, but let's keep on going by pressing the mode button. Now we are in the position of setting our day value. Let me check what today is, October the 26th. And again, I'm gonna press the lap reset or start stop button to get it to my exact day value. Once I'm done with that, I'm gonna press the mode button once again, and basically we have ran through the cycle of setting our time, date, year, and other features of the watch. To implement those settings, simply press the adjust button, and the watch will now show the time that we have just set. Thank you very much for watching. That was another how-to setting the time and date on a watch. And if you are into watch-related content, please subscribe. Thank you.